Article 75. This article provides for the composition of the Council of Ministers and the appointment of the Prime Minister, who is the head of the Council of Ministers. Article 76. This article provides for the Attorney General for India, who is the highest law officer of the Government of India. The Attorney General is appointed by the President and holds office during the pleasure of the President. Article 77. This article provides for the duties of the Attorney General, who is the chief legal advisor of the Government of India and is responsible for giving advice to the government on legal matters. Article 78. This article provides for the duties of the Prime Minister, who is the head of the Council of Ministers and is responsible for the overall functioning of the Government of India. Article 79. This article provides for the Constitution of Parliament, which consists of the President, the Rajya Sabha, Upper House of Parliament, and the Lok Sabha, Lower House of Parliament. Article 80. This article provides for the composition of the Rajya Sabha, which consists of members elected by the legislative assemblies of the states and union territories, as well as members nominated by the President. Article 81. This article provides for the composition of the Lok Sabha, which consists of members elected by direct election from territorial constituencies in the states. Article 82. This article provides for the allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha to the states and union territories based on their population. Article 83. This article provides for the duration of the Lok Sabha, which is 5 years, unless dissolved earlier. Article 84. This article provides for the qualification for membership of the Lok Sabha, including that the person must be a citizen of India, at least 25 years of age, and eligible to vote for the election of members of the Lok Sabha. Article 85. This article provides for the session of Parliament, which is summoned by the President and is composed of 2 sessions, the budget session and the monsoon session. Article 86. This article provides for the prorogation and dissolution of the sessions of Parliament. Article 87. This article provides for the address by the President to both Houses of Parliament, which outlines the policies and programs of the government for the coming year. Article 88. This article provides for the rights of the President to address either House of Parliament, or both houses assembled together, and to send messages to either House of Parliament. Article 89. This article provides for the power of the President to promulgate ordinances during the recess of Parliament. Article 90. This article provides for the power of the President to summon, prorogue, and dissolve Parliament. Article 91. This article provides for the power of the President to appoint, by warrant under his, her hand and seal, various officers of the Government of India. Article 92. This article provides for the qualifications for appointment as a minister in the Council of Ministers, including that the person must be a member of either House of Parliament. Article 93. This article provides for the tenure of office of the ministers, which is at the pleasure of the President. Article 94. This article provides for the allocation of portfolios among the ministers by the Prime Minister. Article 95. This article provides for the Council of Ministers to be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Article 96. This article provides for the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, who is appointed by the President and holds office for a term of 6 years. Article 97. This article provides for the duties and powers of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, who is responsible for auditing the accounts of the Government of India and the state governments. The Comptroller and Auditor General submits a report to the President, who lays it before the Parliament. Article 98. This article provides for the form of accounts to be kept by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India and the audit of these accounts. Article 99. This article provides for the power of the Comptroller and Auditor General to conduct supplementary audit and to hold discussions with the audited authorities. Article 100. This article provides for the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General to be submitted to the President or the Governor of a state. Article 101. This article provides for the powers and functions of the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, including that the Speaker presides over the meetings of the Lok Sabha. Article 102. This article provides for the disqualifications for membership of Parliament, including that a person shall be disqualified for being a member of either House of Parliament if she holds any office of profit under the Government of India or the Government of any state. Article 103. This article provides for the decision on questions as to disqualifications of members of Parliament, which is to be taken by the President or the Governor of a state, as the case may be. Article 104. This article provides for the powers of Parliament with respect to disqualification of members, including that either House of Parliament may by resolution make provisions for the disqualification of its members. Article 105. This article provides for the powers, privileges, and immunities of Parliament and its members, including that no member shall be liable to any proceedings in any court in respect of anything said, or any vote given by him, her in Parliament or any committee thereof. Article 106. This article provides for the salaries and allowances of the members of Parliament, which are to be determined by law. Article 107. This article provides for the procedure for passing a money bill in Parliament, including that a money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. Article 108. This article provides for the joint sitting of both houses of Parliament in certain cases, including when a bill has been passed by one house but has not been passed by the other house. Article 109. This article provides for the procedure for passing a finance bill in Parliament, which is to be introduced in the Lok Sabha. Article 110. This article provides for the definition of a money bill, including that a bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions dealing with all or any of the matters specified in this article. Article 111. This article provides for the assent of the President to bills passed by Parliament, including that the President may give his, her assent or withhold his, her assent to a bill. Article 112. This article provides for the presentation of the annual financial statement, which is also known as the Union Budget, by the Government of India in Parliament. Article 113. This article provides for the procedure for the passage of the annual financial statement and the demands for grants in Parliament. Article 114. This article provides for the appropriation bills, which are introduced in Parliament for the authorization of expenditure from the Consolidated Fund of India. Article 115. This article provides for the procedure for the passage of the appropriation bills in Parliament.